Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter from grade 9, that is motion. So we will discuss about motion. What do you mean by the term motion? Motion is a change in position of a body with time. Now how we can understand this, that if a body is changing its position with time or not? So, if we observe that an object is there and at a time it is in a particular position, after a certain time you observe that this object is not at that place. It has changed its place and now it is in another position. So, you have observed that at a time a body was at position and after a certain time you have observed it has changed the position. So this is called that the object is in motion. But when we observe that the object is not changing its position, then what the term it is, that is rest. So it is the position of rest for that body. If a object is changing its position with time, then it is in motion, and if it is not changing its position with time, then it is said that it is in rest. Now, when we describe motion, there are two terms. One is distance and second is displacement. Now, how we can differentiate these two terms? First is distance and second is displacement. So, distance moved is the actual length of the path traveled by the body. Now, how we will come to know that it is distance? And displacement is the length of the shortened path traveled by a body from initial position to its final position. Now, before understanding these two terms and differentiating between these two terms, distance and displacement, we need to understand initial position and final position. So, if you start from a particular position, so that position is initial position for you, and where you stop moving, that position for you is called final position. Now for example, I will take you start moving from point A and you stop moving at point B. So point A is initial position for you and point B is final position for you. So here you can understand that initial position and final position. Then if you are moving all around and you are back to your initial position only, that means your initial position is only your final position, so your displacement will be zero. How? Let's learn through this example. You can see here a car is moving, car is in motion. Motion of a ball you can see downwards. Now you can see here in this example, ball is moving downwards. So this is the position of ball. This is the position of ball, and if it will start moving and it will end its position here, so this will be its initial position and this will be its final position. So this distance, total path covered is called distance, and the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position will be displacement. In this case, distance and displacement will be same. Okay.